Hey there YouTube, it's Reclaimer here with 2XP Gaming. Today we're going to be talking about a wired lavalier microphone that I picked up for about $20 on Amazon. Yes, you heard that right. $20 for a wired lavalier microphone. You got to be thinking, is this thing any good? Well, that's what we're going to actually be checking out today with the Boya BY-M1 wired lavalier microphone. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay everybody, so again we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and overview here of the Boya BY-M1 microphone for about $20, $25 on Amazon. I actually got this after watching a couple videos on how to improve your sound in videos, and I thought, you know what, this is a cheap enough lav mic, I'm just going to go ahead and try and get it. So you can see I obviously had to unbox it already because I did some other shots, kind of a bit of a Quentin Tarantino in reverse type of situation here. So let's go ahead and actually take a look at what else is inside. Alright, so in addition to the box, you're going to get a nice one-sided piece of documentation here talking about how you can actually use this. It is able to be used on both smartphones and on DSLRs, a lot of different cameras, anything that really has like a TRS type of headphone or microphone connector. Everything is going to come inside this nice Boya leatherette carrying pouch. You're going to receive an adapter so you can actually connect this into something with a little more oomph. And then you're going to have the mic itself. Now, this did come disassembled, so to speak, so we had to put on kind of the wind guard, the clip, and install the tiny non-standard size battery inside of the housing here. This housing, where the battery goes, you're going to have the option for off/smartphone. So if you're connecting this to a smartphone, you can just leave it in the off position. It's not going to need to utilize the battery. Or if you're using it with the DSLR, you're going to put it in camera mode, and that's going to go ahead and power the microphone. You can see there's a lot of cord here. There's about 20 feet of cord here. So that's a good thing and a bad thing, because this thing already has gotten tangled up several times as I was unboxing it and trying to set everything up. But it's also a good thing because you can get very far away from your camera source and still have the mic connected. So here is the mic itself. Not too much to write home about. You have a nice little clip here, a little windsock here. We'll take that off. There you go. So there is the mic in all its glory, and that's about it. That's what you get with it. So now let's go ahead and take a look at what things sound like with the current mic that I'm recording with, which is the Rode VideoMic Go, which came with my DSLR. We're going to see what the internal camera microphone sounds like, and then we're going to see what the Boya BY-M1 wired lav mic sounds like. So let's go ahead and get that set up and get back to it. So this is my voice on my DSLR camera, about 8 feet away, 6 to 8 feet away from me, with the Rode VideoMic that I have set up here that came with my Canon kit. So this is what it sounds like with having a little bit of a nice little boom mic on the top of the hot shoe mount of the camera from about 6 to 8 feet away. Okay, so now we're using the internal microphone of my Canon EOS Rebel T6i. So this is the internal microphone. Again, we're about 6 to 8 feet away from the camera, showing you what the internal mic sounds like. So now let's go ahead and check out that wired lav mic. Okay, so now we are utilizing this wired lav mic here. It is actually on my shirt right below the camera line. I'm not really wearing the best shirt where I could wire the mic underneath the shirt, so it's actually clipped on the outside of the shirt. Let's see if I can get you to see it here. It's right there. So it's just a little bit underneath my chin here, probably by about 6 to 8 inches. I'm still sitting about 6 to 8 feet away from the camera, and we're now utilizing this Boya M1 microphone. Okay, so we've listened to the microphone and all the different mics that I currently have in my setup. We listened to the internal mic on the camera, the Rode VideoMic Go, and then we're listening to this Boya BY-M1 pretty much for the rest of the video. So I'm not sure what you think, but I think that there's some good things and some bad things about this mic. I think that it definitely increases the audio quality of your videos. Just to really kind of give you some quick specs, I know everybody loves it when you read spec sheets, right, on video, but basically what we're looking at here is it's an omnidirectional microphone with an LR44 battery that has hundreds of hours of battery life apparently, utilizing a 3.5 millimeter 4-pole gold plug with a 1/4 inch adapter if you need it. So what do you think? For $25, would you use this microphone? Again, it's got a nice long 20-foot cable. It definitely seems to increase some of the audio quality compared to what you may normally get out of your stock camera microphone or even a boom mic mounted on the hot shoe of a camera. Definitely something to take a look into. Do I think I'm going to use this for every video? Probably not. But I definitely think I'm going to be using it more for videos like this where I'm sitting talking directly at the camera. When I'm doing things like unboxings, I may just decide to use the Rode VideoMic Go because it's a little bit easier. You don't have to worry about the cable getting all over the place and having to pull this out of the bag. You can just kind of hook up the mic and go. So what do you think? Tell me what you think about the audio quality of all these different mics in the comments, and if there's anything more you'd like to know about this microphone or any of the other mics that I have, or any suggestions that you have for microphones that I could try out that aren't super crazy expensive, let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear about it. So that's really about it. This is Reclaimer from 2XP Gaming. We'll talk to you soon.